Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ORG Cars. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to blending luxury, performance, and off-road prowess. This iconic SUV, often referred to as the G-Wagon, has undergone significant enhancements to maintain its position at the pinnacle of the luxury SUV market. Exterior design. The 2025 G63 retains its unmistakable boxy silhouette, a design that has become synonymous with the G-Class lineage. Subtle refinements include refreshed front and rear bumpers, an AMG-specific grille, and new air inlets with 3 vertical louvers. These updates not only enhance its aggressive stance but also improve aerodynamic efficiency. Additional features such as new A-pillar cladding and a spoiler lip on the roof's edge contribute to its modern yet timeless appeal. Interior luxury. Step inside the G63, and you're greeted by an opulent cabin that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary technology. Premium materials adorn every surface, from the supple leather seats to the meticulously crafted dashboard. The latest boxy infotainment system offers intuitive controls, while features like climate-controlled cup holders and wireless mobile device charging ensure that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. Performance and handling. At the heart of the G63 lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering a formidable 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-feet of torque. This power is channeled through a 9-speed automatic transmission to an all-wheel drive system, enabling the G63 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. The introduction of AMG Active Ride Control, featuring hydraulic roll stabilization and adaptive dampers, significantly enhances both on-road handling and off-road capability. This system allows drivers to adjust roll stiffness and traction control settings, ensuring optimal performance across diverse terrains. Off-road capabilities. While the G63 exudes luxury, it remains a formidable off-road machine. The new off-road cockpit provides drivers with real-time information such as vehicle positioning, altitude, and steering angle, crucial for navigating challenging terrains. The transparent hood function utilizes the 360-degree camera system to offer a virtual view of obstacles beneath the vehicle, enhancing driver awareness during off-road excursions. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 G63. For the first time, the G-Class offers active steering assist and active emergency stop assist, among other advanced safety technologies. These systems work in tandem to provide a safer driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring remote trails. Pricing. While official pricing for the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 has yet to be announced, it's anticipated to start in the range of $190,000 to $200,000. Considering the previous model's base price of around $185,000. This investment reflects the unparalleled blend of luxury, performance, and heritage that the G63 offers. Conclusion. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 continues to uphold its legacy as an icon in the luxury SUV segment. With its harmonious blend of timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, the G63 remains a compelling choice for those seeking an SUV that can conquer both urban environments and rugged landscapes with equal aplomb.